Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to claim free BLU Airdrop on Trust Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app and then sign into your account. After that, tap on the Discover icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then enter the following URL. Then, wait for the website to load up. Once it does, tap on the hamburger icon at top right corner, then select Switch to EVM Network and then choose BNB Smart Chain from the list. After that, scroll down and you will see more information about this airdrop. In order to get airdrop, you need tap on the Get Airdrop button and wait a few minutes. As you can see, the sale price of 0.01 BNB is 10,000 BLU. To claim the airdrop, scroll to the top and tap on the Claim Airdrop button. After that, tap on the Confirm button and you will be able to receive the 1000 BLU airdrop. So that's basically how you can claim free BLU airdrop on Trust Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.